Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am gonna show you how to unrestrict someone you have restricted on Messenger. It's so easy, just follow my instructions. To unrestrict someone on Messenger we need to click on the three lines icon at the upper left corner. And then click on the gear icon. Now scroll down and find Privacy and Safety. And click on it. And then here click on Restricted Accounts. Here you can see the list of Facebook accounts that you have restricted. Click on the account that you want to unrestrict, and then click on the Unrestrict button at the bottom. The account has become successfully unrestrict. So by following these straightforward steps, you can swiftly unrestrict any Facebook friend in a matter of seconds. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.